Hey, what are we doing today?
Doing putting oil inside the motorcycle.
We're going to do an oil change today, huh?
Yeah.
This is our first one, huh?
Yep.
All right. So, let's get to it.
Stay
tuned.
Yep.
Pack Adventures.
Welcome back to Pack Adventures.
That's right. Raptor Pack Adventures, huh? That's a big word to say.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So, what kind of bike we got here, Bubba J?
It's a KLR.
A KLR what? 650?
650.
That's right. So, we are going to perform our first oil change on our 2015 Kawasaki KLR 650, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. Let me tell you a little bit about this awesome bike. I am a little spoiled. We're a little spoiled that a very good friend of ours, Brandon Davis, thank you, Brandon, for selling me this. He sold us this about 2 months ago, and I literally do not have to do any upgrades to the bike. Like I said, it's a 2015. He has done every upgrade. I just simply have to change the oil, or we have to change the oil, huh?
Yes.
And put some good gas in it and go out and enjoy riding up in the back country of Southern Oregon. So, we appreciate you being here. Do us a favor. We're kind of slow in getting going with our channel. But if you enjoy some of Bubba J's riding, and we're going to do some more cooking shows.
More cooking shows.
Yep.
Yes.
Why don't you subscribe while you're watching the video, and we'll get right to it. All right, guys, what you didn't see was the 20-minute intermission, because if you change oil, it would be good to have an oil pan.
Yes.
And we didn't have an oil pan. And I bought some funnels to make it easier to put the oil in. So, rule number one, when you're going to drain your oil, you should have a pan.
Yes.
We didn't have a pan, so I went down and bought a pan. So, all right, let's get back to changing the oil. So, when I bought the Harley a couple years ago, I had a lift. I sold the lift, so we bought another one. Guys, if you're looking for a really inexpensive lift that will do what you want, we got this one at Harbor Freight. It's a Pittsburgh ATV motorcycle lift. I paid $199 for it, so it was pretty cheap. So Josh, we're gonna get this thing lined up. Crank that up and down, like NASCAR, up and down. Keep going. There you go, push down. There you go, look at that, huh? Keep going. Raise her up, all the way down. We're raising the back end up, but that's okay. Keep going. One more. Yeah. All right, that's good. There. I think that will give us enough lift. All right, guys, so we repositioned our lift, and you will need a lot with these low profile drain plugs that they have in them. This is by Husky. We're using I think it's a T40. So these work to get the drain plug off. So, all right, Josh, you ready to get some oil out of here?
Yeah.
No, let's leave that. We gotta, now in here, Josh, is dirty oil. We gotta get the dirty oil out. So before we do that, you're gonna need this because you might get some oil on your hands. All right? All right, Bubba J, come on over here, bud. Start turning that, and then the oil will come out. Just keep this here in case you get oil on your hands. Okay, go ahead.
I'll plug it.
Right here. Just start turning it.
I'll turn it.
Yeah, there you go. Good job. Keep going all the way until it comes out. And yeah, that's not too bad.
Just put it inside the pan.
Yep. So we're gonna let that drain and take the filler cap off, and that releases a lot of the pressure, I guess. At least that's what.
No. No.
Nala, that is nothing to drink. We got our dogs out helping us. All right, Josh, so we're gonna let that drain completely. Now, we got all the ugly oil out, huh? Now what we're gonna do is we're going to take the air filter out. Did I just say air filter?
Yeah, you did.
Oil filter. We don't know what we're doing, huh? All right. So we're gonna let that drain, and let's go on the other side, Bubba, and let's get this oil filter out.
What is that?
So Josh, you found fun ways to play at the funnel. All right, folks, so this is the low profile
Yep.
drain, and they
We-
recommend that the washer that is on here,
We need to
you
cut
change
this
it
off.
out every time. And so we bought some new washers, huh?
Yeah.
We'll change it out. So, okay, right down here, this is your oil filter. So we're gonna need an 8mm socket, and we'll take this off, and you're gonna need a screwdriver down here, this little lip. You'll pop it out with
Okay.
that. So, all right, Bubba J, let's get these two nuts off. Go ahead. Good job. All the way around. Other way. Other way.
Wait.
There you go. Okay.
Oh, it
Gotta
came
do
off.
the other one. It's okay. Put it back on. Up here.
Oh, up here.
Yeah. There you go. Right there. Put it in. Yeah. Go down. All the way around now. There you go. Now take your fingers and take them off. I think you can get your fingers in there, buddy. Can you get your fingers down there?
I can try.
All right, let's do it. Turn it. Yeah, take them out. Good job, buddy.
I don't want to get on my hands.
Oh, it's all right if you do. I got a rag.
I can't get it.
All right, you want Dad to help?
Yeah.
All right. We have our socket. Once you get it broke, Josh, it comes out pretty quick.
Oh, it comes out.
Yeah. We got a whole pack of these washers. You can get a whole pack of them.
Yeah.
The replacement washers, you just put it over the existing. And
That's
let's
cool.
go ahead and put this back in before we get the filter out, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I can see you.
How you doing?
Doing great.
All right.
You're doing great doing this, man.
All right. That's as tight as we need to be.
Santa Claus is doing the motorcycle.
Santa Claus is doing the motorcycle. This is what Bubba J and I do. We have no clue what we're doing.
Yeah.
But hey, we watched the dork in the road, huh?
Uh-oh.
He did it. Huh. All right.
No,
So-
that is turned off.
No, that's on energy saving.
Oh.
All right, Josh, so we're going to take this here and we're just going to kind of pop it up in there.
Okay.
And it should come right off. You just slowly start. If it's not going to come off, there it is.
Yeah.
There you go. And
Got it.
like that. And this is the old, Josh, this is our oil filter. And this is the old one. Now, what you want to do, Josh, is we're going to save this pen. You see where it kind of has a lip right there?
Yeah.
There's an official title for it. I don't know what it is, but that is going to go back up in there, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's clean this up. Let me get some paper towel. So, get some paper towel, get it up in there,
Yep.
get that nice and clean again.
Here's our Nella girl.
Yep. So I want to make it nice and clean in there, Josh, so that the bike runs really good, huh?
Really good.
And do you know what the oil filter does?
What?
Okay, as the oil comes out where the reservoir, so we're going to pour oil in here.
Okay.
Before the oil goes into the engine, it goes through here. Yeah. And this is what filters it up. Okay, so we're going to get a little oil here, put it around inside, Josh.
Yeah.
So it seals up. Okay. And you put your pin back in.
Yeah.
And you want to make sure that it goes in the same direction you took it out, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And there you go. Make sure your cap is nice and clean.
Yep.
Got all the old. And right here, do you see the little arrow?
Yeah, I can see.
That arrow means that's how it goes on. The arrow goes up. So we'll put that back in. We'll re-put our bolts back in. We'll tighten that up. And what's the next thing we do, Josh, after this?
Put the oil in.
We put clean oil back inside. Yeah, good job. You want it nice and snug, but don't over tighten it, huh?
No.
All right. Okay, last thing we're gonna do, we gotta dump the oil in, right?
Yes.
Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the oil in. We want the oil to be right in the middle, okay? So we're gonna fill her up right there. We're gonna put the oil in right here. Hold on. We're gonna use a funnel. We're gonna pour it real slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, pour it into there very, very slowly. Good job. Look at you. Yeah. Pour it over here. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Nice and slow.
I am.
Don't be in a hurry. So like I said, we're using Maxima synthetic blend. We're using 1040 weight. It's what...
I gotta get up.
Keep going. It's what the previous owner was using. So we're going to stick, hey, if it works, don't change it. And this is the second quart. Nice and slow. Good job.
It has to get all the way in, right?
We're going to turn you into a motorcycle mechanic, huh? All right. So let's see. Okay, right now we're a little high, but we're going to start her up, let it run for a couple minutes, and then check our oil level again, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So there you go. Two guys that have no idea how to change oil on the bike, and we did it. Matter of fact, you did it, buddy.
Yeah.
Good job. So our KLR has fresh oil in it, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, we checked down below, and yeah, it's a little high, but we'll be okay.
You'll be all right.
We hope you guys enjoyed our technical video on changing the oil in a Kawasaki KLR 650.
Yeah.
It came good, huh? Hey, we sure appreciate if you subscribe, hit that bell, because we are going to come out with how we clean the chain. We're going to clean it, lubricate it, and Bubba J is going to do the hard work.
Yes.
Yeah. So, hey, subscribe, click that bell down below, and like we say at the Raptor Pack, travel more, stress less. Be good to each other, and until next time, we'll see ya.
Yeah.
Out. Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day.